XRP has defeated SEC. SEC resists with last of its strength. XRP to $40,000. The SEC vs XRP lawsuit is getting more interesting every day. In the latest turn of events, the SEC has requested an extension of time to file its objection to Justice of the Peace Ned Burns' decision on a motion to review the DPP decision. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. In a letter dated April 15, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission asked Judge Torres to extend the deadline from April 25 to 14 days from the date of the decision on the upcoming SEC application. This update came after emails confirming that the SEC knew about Bill Hinman, a former SEC official who had a conflict of interest in the case, were disclosed. Judge Torres ruled that the SEC cannot edit the contents of emails in order to show a conflict of interest regarding how to deal with XRP and other tokens. The documents showed that the SEC Ethics Office warned former SEC official William Hinman that he had a direct financial interest in Simpson Thacker, but Hinman continued to meet with the firm despite these warnings, Empower Oversight, a violation awareness organization, said on Twitter. Empower Oversight has received several unusual emails concerning Bill Hinman, including one that shows Hinman was warned that he had a bar as part of a criminal financial conflict with Simpson because you have an ongoing financial interest in the firm, said a member of the XRP community and lawyer. James K. Phelan. On the other hand, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is confident that the company will succeed after a lawsuit with the SEC. The trial went very well, and much better than I could have hoped when it started about 15 months ago. Garlinghouse said in a fireside chat hosted by CNBC at the Paris Blockchain Week Summit on Thursday. But the wheels of justice turn slowly. Quote, "This news seems to have affected XRP, albeit slightly, but positively. Its price has increased by 0.03% and currently stands at $0.7759, according to CoinMarketCap. However, over the past 24 hours, the trading volume has fallen by 37%, and the market capitalization by 0.07%. The SEC does not abandon attempts to conceal the contents of documents related to William Hinman's speech. Yesterday, the commission filed another petition, but already to a higher instance. It asks Judge Torres to extend the deadline for them to file objections to both decisions of Judge Ned Burns, from April 25, 2022 for 14 days. The commission is trying to challenge the decision of Magistrate Ned Burns, who has already issued 2 orders demanding that Ripple hand over documents related to William Hinman's speech in June 2018, where he announced that Ether is not a security. Judge Ned Burns' latest decision on April 11 is being called a big victory for Ripple, and earlier lawyer John Deaton suggested that the SEC would not appeal to Judge Torres. However, the regulator decided to fight to the end in this matter. Most likely, this is due to the fact that this decision is not only unfavorable for the SEC in the present process, but also creates a precedent for the entire industry, since in future lawsuits, participants can use the court's decision and demand similar documents from government agencies. The Commission insists that these documents are protected by the privilege of the consultative process, DPP, and wants to collect statements about privileges in one brief. This time, the SEC intends to file a motion claiming attorney-client privilege. She also wants the redacted parts of the memos to be excluded based on the privilege of the deliberative process. The regulator claims that this extension application will not affect any other deadlines related to the case. The SEC says the defendants would not want to proceed to a summary judgment without a full decision on their motion to challenge some of the SEC's claims of privilege. Ripple and the SEC are due to meet to discuss the schedule of the summary judgment on April 22, 2022, which will show what this case will lead to. It may also decide whether the trial will end with a settlement agreement. Thanks to several other rulings, which were a big victory for Ripple, the fintech company is becoming more confident in the probability of its victory. In a recent interview with CNBC, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that things went better than expected. The trial went very well, and much better than I could have hoped when it started about 15 months ago, he noted. Meanwhile, Ripple supporters are also not giving the SEC a break in their support for Ripple. In addition to attorney John Deaton, who handled the XRP Army and Empower U.S. cases against the SEC regarding Ripple, there is now a third force battling the SEC. Attorney Fred Rispoli has filed a class action lawsuit against former SEC officials Jay Clayton and William Hinman on behalf of XRPL users. The lawyer claims that two former members of the Securities and Exchange Commission had a conflict of interest in relation to Ripple while working for the commission. In an interview with CNBC, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said he was optimistic about the company's future in its litigation. In 2019, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sued a payment solution company for the alleged illegal sale of an XRP security. Initially, it was expected that regulators would find themselves in an easy victory. This had a negative impact on the price of XRP, the cryptocurrency that supports the XRP ledger, and some products of the payment company. However, Ripple is using its resources and seems to be changing the situation in its favor. In court, the payment solutions company presented evidence that the SEC was informed about XRP and Ripple's business model with cryptocurrency using a product called Ripple Network. The evidence dates back to 2013 and includes documents that suggest that the SEC failed to clarify the classification of a digital asset as a security. According to lawyers, the evidence can demonstrate to the court that Ripple actively sought to comply with U.S. securities laws. In this sense, Garlinghouse told CNBC the following about his perception of the status of the case. The trial went very well, and much better than I could have hoped when it started about 15 months ago. But the wheels of justice turn slowly. Other evidence has emerged that may continue to support Ripple. As CNBC emphasizes, the judge reviewing the case ruled against the SEC's editing of emails about how it treated XRP and other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. The second cryptocurrency by market capitalization, currently there are no permanent cases against it, since it is not considered a security. If Ripple can successfully prove that XRP and ETH work as decentralized cryptocurrencies, it could win the prosecution. Despite the litigation, Ripple has not noticed a slowdown in its activities. According to its CEO, the company is already operating under the worst-case scenario, but is registering record growth outside the United States. Garlinghouse added the following about the importance of the Ripple case for the crypto industry. This case is important not only for Ripple, it is important for the entire crypto industry in the USA. This would really be negative for cryptocurrencies in the United States. Closing parenthesis. If you define XRP as a Ripple security, we need to know every person who owns XRP. This is an SEC requirement. You should know all your shareholders. It's impossible. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Now it is time to reveal who is the lucky winner of our giveaway. We randomly selected one fan who fulfilled all the conditions. And the winner is Marvin. Congratulations, Marvin. So XRP Army, let's all congratulate Marvin in the comment section below, and tomorrow we will relaunch our weekly giveaway free 500 XRP. Now let's get back to the video. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.